Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. So this is a demo for my first product. I'm calling it SubPulse, which is basically a cloud subscription tracker. Now, cloud subscription tracker and SubPulse, what we are trying to solve here. Now, we are living in a world where every day we have a new subscription to a SaaS application, we have domains, web hosting, and so on. The thing is, sometimes we get lost because we have a lot of tools, and then we can lose track of what we have subscribed to before and what we didn't, and also we have issues in understanding the budget we are paying. So basically what SubPulse is trying to solve in the first place is to have the inventory. So you have all your subscriptions in front of you, you're seeing how many users, if it's more than one subscription, you have subscribed to. It will show you the expiry date when it's going to be expiring, and you will see the active ones. And also the second thing the system will help you to do is to alert you and remind you when something is going to expire soon. So first we will show it in a report, and then also the system is able to send once we are close to 15 days, 2 weeks, it will send daily alerts for you to renew. If you renew, of course, you can change this. You change the billing cycle, or you change the expiry date, right? And then you would be able to have that notification snoozed. The next thing is tracking the budget, as I was saying, so you can see how much you're paying currently on all the subscriptions, monthly and yearly, so you can do some planning. And of course the system is very customizable. If you think you want to have something specific, I would be more than happy to listen to your feedback. So of course there is a login and sign up page. I'm skipping that, it's very straightforward now, and this is the home page. So the first thing we will talk about is just how to add a new subscription, right? So once we hit the add new subscription, so here I have some pre-built providers and their services. Of course, this will include additional providers with time, but for the time being and for the sake for the MVP, I kept it short. So let's say you have acquired some Microsoft 365 licenses, E2, because Microsoft, they have different categories. The domain here is mainly you will use it if you want to assign a domain name to a domain that you purchased. But of course, maybe you have purchased this Microsoft 365 and you want to use it for a certain domain. So this is where you will be using it. And here's the start date. So for example, it's today, March 6, 2023. And let's suppose I purchased for 12 months. Now, what is the number of subscription? As I was saying, because you can purchase one user or you can purchase 100 users. So let's say we purchase for 25 users, right? Now, if it's a domain name usually, or say web hosting, the number will be usually 1. How much you paid for the whole subscription, which means for the 25 users and for the complete 1 year. So here, let's say we paid $450, right? So here when I will hit add, right? And what it will happen now, this subscription will be added to the database, and then we will be redirected to the current subscriptions or the active subscriptions. So these are the active subscriptions we have today. So I'm seeing all my active subscription, as you can see, and they are quite sorted out by the expiry date, right? So here I can see this is the one that we just added, by the way, the 25 users. So I can see it's yearly, it will expire on March 6, 2024. And if I click, I would be able to see the contract value, how much I paid, expiring in 366 days, and 25, and so on, right? And here you can do some editing. So as I was saying, if you want to change the start date, or when you come to the renewal time, so just you push it, so it will understand this, or you can change the billing period as well, or you can delete. So if you hit delete here, it will remove it. So here where you can track, you can search, of course. So for example, I can search GoDaddy here. Yep, so here I'm seeing all the GoDaddy related things. And then Here we'll see in the archive whatever is expired or deleted. So something you have deleted, you will see it here. And here, finally, in the report, what you will see first is what is expiring in the next 15 days and how many days it's still until it will expire. And here you see the monthly spends. So 10 subscriptions, this is the amount we are paying per month, and some are paying per year. And here you can see a nice chart, which are the vendors or cloud subscriptions you are paying much. So as you can see, it's pretty much very rich. So yeah, that's it. The benefit of it, as I said, first you have an inventory for your cloud subscription, and second, you would have as well kind of budgeting, right? So I hope you enjoyed this demo. I will look forward to hear your feedback. Thank you very much.